In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add effects to overlay in CapCut PC. If you've ever tried to style an overlay and noticed the effect also changes your main footage, you're not alone. By default, many video effects in CapCut apply to the whole frame. Today, I'll show you a simple way to keep an effect locked to your overlay only, so your background clip stays untouched. Start by opening CapCut on your PC and creating or opening a project. Import your main video and your overlay. This could be a picture-in-picture clip, a graphic, or another video. Drag the main video onto the timeline first, then place the overlay above it on a higher track. If the overlay isn't visually on top of the main video in the preview, make sure the overlay clip sits on a track above the primary clip and is positioned where you want it in the frame. Next, add your effect to the overlay. Select the overlay clip in the timeline, open the effects panel and choose the look you want. You can drag the effect onto the timeline or click to apply it. You'll probably notice right away that both the overlay and the main video are showing the effect. That's expected. CapCut treats many effects as frame-wide, so everything underneath is affected. Here's the fix. In the timeline, select the overlay clip and the effect layer together. You can do this by clicking one, then holding Shift while clicking the other. When both are highlighted, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. CapCut will instantly wrap the overlay and its effect into a single grouped clip. Now, the effect sits inside that compound, so it only influences the overlay within the group, not the background footage. Play your timeline to confirm. Your overlay should look stylized, while the main video remains clean. If the effect doesn't seem to apply, double-check that you selected both the overlay and the effect before creating the compound. Also, make sure the effect layer sits directly above or aligned with the overlay in the same time range. If they don't overlap, the compound won't behave as expected. You can still adjust the effect's intensity and settings after compounding by selecting the compound clip and using the controls in the editor. And that's all you need. Import your main video and overlay, apply the effect, then select the overlay and the effect, right-click, and create a compound clip to keep the effect confined to the overlay. This quick technique keeps your edits clean and professional while giving you precise creative control.